Yeah, don't worry. Yeah.
Shooting a video right now? You shooting a video tonight?
Oh, back! Push that!
Wow.
What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Detroit River. So you guys can see I'm just making it out to the shoreline now. It is dark. Early. Got a couple people on the shoreline. Hoping that we can catch some nice, big walleye. You know, it's Sunday morning. I don't actually get to get out and fish much. Like I said, I'd like to thank a couple of you guys that be sending me pictures and using the baits and stuff like that. Thank you. Check these pictures out. So what do you guys think about that? You know, like I said, very, very impressed. Seen a lot of nice fish, a lot of big fish, a lot of specialty fishes. You know, there's a few muskie caught. You know, like I said, the bows that were before, still jaw dropping. Anyways, let's start the fishing. So it's super dark out, and there it is. That's the new bait. You guys see that? I call that crystal ice. What do you guys think? You know, nice pearl belly with the silver glitter in the back there. Looks just like a minnow. I think that's going to be a great color. Thank you, Frank.
Yeah.
I love you, man.
Thanks, Steve, too.
Thank you, Steve. I love you big time. You guys know about Silky Steve? That was in the last episode. Oh, look at that. And he's on. Look at that. Hold on. I got to go get him. So Silky Steve was named after... Oh, you got him? Yeah, he was named after my favorite fisherman, walleye fisherman on shore. Yeah, so I call him the GOAT. Greatest of all time. You guys ever come down to the Detroit River and you guys don't know Steve? Come down here and you guys will know. So here we go. Frank has got one. Nice, brother. Look at that, brother. Slay.
Oh, we got the good net today.
Oh yeah, that's a real good net.
Thanks, Nicky.
Frankie, the milkman.
Milkman lands a fish.
Oh yeah. First fish of the morning, guys. That's a good start. Yeah. Yeah, come on, man. It's me. What do you expect?
Keypad.
Yeah. Thank you. I told you I'll catch one. I feel it. Oh, thank you, Frank. Quick release. Yeah. Nice. Oh, there you guys go. First one of the morning. Thank you, Frankie.
You're welcome.
You're my good luck charm. Good luck charm there. So you guys, I got that on a new, it's like a crystal ice. I mimicked the white ice shad, which is a beautiful color, but crystal ice is gonna be a better color. Check that, guys, out. Nice size eater there, roughly about 1.5 pounds or so. That's going on to the stringer. I'm gonna make a nice meal today. Let's do this.
Oh shit! Oh, it's a sheephead.
Is it good?
You could see it fighting.
Again? The sheephead
like
king's got a
crazy.
sheephead again.
Oh, it's a sheep. It's a walleye.
Okay. I was gonna say.
Oh, finally! Oh my God! I can't believe
I
it.
was gonna say you're gonna be sheephead king. Can't be all sheepheads for you.
Sheephead king.
So guys, first fish on the day for him, June bug, and it's a Spider-Man jig.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Congrats, bud.
All right. It's like, oh man,
Yeah.
never getting off this thing. Oh.
Fucking raining on the state side, though.
What?
Raining right there.
Yeah.
Third side. We're getting pissed on right now. It is. West side Detroit getting pissed on right now.
Oh my god. Just missed a fish. There it is. There it is.
He goes, oh my god, this is it, and then smokes it.
Thanks, Boo. I'm too far out to get in.
I felt the first hit and I was like, oh, I just missed him. Gave it a second jig and it came back. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but nice. You're the one who like to kick that.
Yeah. Nice size eater there.
Yeah.
Hey, second one of the day. Thank you, Pooh. It's a male.
Yep, that's a male.
Yeah, it's a beautiful male. It's releasing his toxins.
Yeah.
Look at that firecracker.
Yeah.
I was going to switch that color, too.
Firecracker's a beautiful color.
I know it is.
Yeah.
Cut my last limit on it.
There you go.
He convinced me to switch to it, so I was going to, and I was like, oh, I'll try chartreuse ice.
Man, it's just like that silver color today is working very, very well. Anything that's white, silver.
Yeah. Well, I got the ale white.
Yeah. That should work. So there you guys go. Fish number 2. It took me a little while there from the first one that I got here, but finally.
Finery.
I'll hold it upside down for you guys. How about that? Guys, another fish on the day. Just kidding.
So they look like upside down?
Yeah. 2. Kaiser snag. He's got the Kaiser.
He got the Kaiser.
Yeah.
Not quite that.
Yeah. Yeah, your flashlight is called Everbeam, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think he's got the same one because it is bright as fuck.
I can't find mine, man. All the night my monkey walked off. I don't
What?
Yeah, it just disappeared. Both of my headlamps are gone.
Shit! That was crazy! I was just,
You were looking over here and you're like, whoa! That was nuts.
I was like,
That was nuts.
one hand the hook set.
That was nuts.
I was sitting talking to you, I was like, oh!
Like this, dude. You're like, that was nuts.
Look at this cute little perch.
It was cute!
Cute little perch.
That was crazy.
Bloody
These are the little
Mary.
eaters I want though. Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary's the color.
I just
Yeah.
put the Bloody Mary back on too. I was like, I'm done messing around trying to figure colors.
Can't
out.
even sit there and have a conversation with Jerry.
Yeah. Can't keep the fish.
No. It's the third one of the
Get
day.
your fish.
Finger your fish! Oh, so I'm using my seconds right now. I'm just going through a bunch of colors. Everybody keeps switching, so I'm following along. Oh, spiky teeth. Doesn't want to come out yet. You come out now. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one.
Good eater.
Yeah, onto the stringer. Is he? He is. Why is that?
I don't know.
I've never seen it. What do you guys think? It's bleeding out of his
He had a little too much fun.
Oh, okay, okay.
It was a late night for him last night.
Yeah, it was a late night for him.
You know what happened?
Look, they're all the same size.
They're all males, eh?
Yeah, these are the good ones to eat.
No eggs. No.
Yeah, don't worry. Yeah.
Oh, bass! Push gas! Wow! Push gas, man! What's it on Attribution?
Yeah.
I'm fishing out here with Buck Fishing. He just first cast, hit a walleye. Sorry, man. Sorry, bro.
Damn, man. That spooked the hell out of me.
Wow, that was awesome.
I know went home for lunch
That was awesome.
after the start of the morning. This is a bigger one.
Awesome, Buck.
Oh man. Even he was just talking about it too.
Wow.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah, nice wall.
In the mouth.
Nice.
I know, man.
Experiencing Buck Fishes.
Thank you, brother.
Folks.
That's a nice one.
That's
Oh.
awesome.
Look at the
That's a
color.
good 6 pounder.
Oh,
That's like 5+ for sure.
that's like 3. No, I'm just kidding. That's a big one. Yeah. Sorry, Coco.
It's a good day.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
All right, guys. So this is my 4th fish of the day. Went home for lunch.
You went home, took a shit, came back?
Yeah, I had to, bro. Man, I was hungry.
Oh, bro.
I was hungry as hell. So we're gonna take a weight on this real quick.
Too heavy?
Oh, 4 pounds, 4 ounces. That sounds right.
Yeah.
That sounds right.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Do you want it?
It's a little big.
4 pounds is
No.
perfect. Coco, you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, Coco.
Cool.
All right, guys. So here we go. Like you guys know,
Only 2.
I like to keep my little ones.
Yeah. If you want to have,
Yeah, I don't keep all the fish. But there you go.
give my friend yesterday.
Yeah, you were just talking about it. Thank you, bro. That was crazy. That was awesome, bro. Thank you.
Hilarious.
You're like, watch this guy. Watch this guy. Woo! Hey, that thing hammered it. That hit so hard. That was probably the hardest hit of the year. But that thing hit harder than my 8.5 pounds. Yeah, it trucked that bait. My 8.5 pound, I barely felt it. It just sucked it in.
Yeah, those bigger ones.
It was just like, boop. That was it. Like a little tiny tick. And I was just like, ugh. That's why it was like, wow. It depends on what brand. Because there's some flat line like that.
Hey, this is 10.
Yeah, that's heavy line. Whose line is that? Whose rod is that? Oh, you leave it?
No, I know it's not 65. But that's why you said
No?
That's a dollar store Mako shit. That's what it is.
It looks like if you set the hook, it'll snap.
Yeah. Whose line is it?
Damn, that guy just threw a fastball on his cast.
What?
I don't
He was
know.
like,
Ain't mine.
he was like,
I know, I've been trying so hard. Thank you, Coco. Thank you, Coco. It's just a little one.
He's a skier.
Uh-oh.
uh-oh.
It's tangled in there now.
Uh-oh. What a neck job. That's a good eater, man. That's perfect. That is perfect.
There we go, number 5.
Guys.
It's like so tiny.
Good eater.
Oh yeah, on that crystal ice again, but oh, these are the ones you want to eat. He wants to eat my bait too. I gotta try to get this thing out. Ooh, 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 ooh. There you go. You want this?
Sure.
Here you go, bro. Donation.
We'll be done.
Alright guys, gonna end my day there. Fished all day. It was actually a very, very tough bite. Water super clear. There was tons of minnows down there, but the fish just weren't biting. You guys know why? Let me know. I don't know why. I just think they're full of minnows. I just have no idea what's going on with the season. But still caught a bunch. Worked all day for them. Started really, really early in the morning. Right now, I'm in the evening. Went home for lunch. You guys can see it. So, anyways, I'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace.